Feeling out of breath just thinking about climbing stairs? You're not alone. As we get older, everyday activities like climbing stairs can feel like a real workout. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? A little bit of targeted strength training can make a huge difference, helping you conquer those stairs with confidence and ease. Today, I am going to share 3 simple yet powerful exercises you can do at home to build the strength you need. No fancy gym equipment required. These exercises will focus on the key muscles that power you up each step, improving your stability, endurance, and overall leg strength. So, if you're ready to make climbing stairs feel less like a chore and more like a breeze, stick around. Let's get started on this journey to a stronger, more mobile you. First up, we have the classic squat. Now, don't be intimidated. The squat is one of the most effective exercises for building lower body strength. It targets your quadriceps, the big muscles on the front of your thighs, and your glutes, which are your powerhouse muscles for climbing. To do a proper squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. You can hold onto a sturdy chair or countertop for balance. Imagine you're about to sit down in a chair. Push your hips back, bend your knees, and lower yourself as if you're sitting. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Go as low as you comfortably can, aiming for your thighs to be parallel to the floor. But don't push through any pain. Then, push through your heels to stand back up to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Try to do 8 to 12 repetitions. This movement directly mimics the action of lifting your body up a step, making it the perfect training tool. Our second exercise is the step up. This one is as practical as it gets because it directly simulates climbing stairs. All you need is a low, stable surface, like the bottom step of your staircase or a sturdy stool. Make sure it's secure and won't slip. To begin, stand facing the step. Place your right foot completely on the step. Push through your right heel to lift your body up until your right leg is straight. Bring your left foot up to meet your right foot on the step. Then, carefully step back down with your left foot first, followed by your right. That's 1 rep. You can alternate which leg leads or complete a set on one side before switching to the other. Aim for 10 to 15 reps on each leg. This exercise not only builds strength in your quads and glutes, but also significantly improves your balance and coordination, which are crucial for safely navigating stairs. The third and final exercise is the calf raise. We often forget about our calf muscles, but they play a vital role in providing the final push needed to lift our bodies onto the next step. Strong calves give you that spring in your step. This is a very simple exercise. Stand tall with your feet flat on the floor and hold onto something for support if you need it. Slowly push through the balls of your feet to raise your heels off the ground, lifting your body upward. Hold the position at the top for a moment, feeling the contraction in your calf muscles. Then, slowly lower your heels back to the floor to make it more challenging. You can do this on the edge of a step, allowing your heels to drop a little lower for a greater range of motion. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions. Strengthening your calves will boost your stability and give you the power you need for the final push-off. So there you have it. 3 simple and effective exercises to make stair climbing easier and safer. We have the squat for overall leg power, the step up for practical strength and balance, and the calf raise for that essential push-off. The key to seeing results is consistency. Try to incorporate these exercises into your routine to 2-3 times a week. Remember to listen to your body and start slowly. It's about progress, not perfection. Over time, you'll notice a real improvement not just in climbing stairs, but in your overall mobility and confidence. You've got this. Thanks for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on staying active and strong at any age. See you next time.